ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ नवमोऽध्यायः। राजविद्या योगः। अवजानन्ति मां मूढा मानुषीं तनुमाश्रितं परं भावमजानन्तो मम भूतमहेश्वरम्। मोघाशामोघकर्माणो मोघज्ञानाविचेतसः राक्षसीमासुरीं चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रिताः। महात्मानस्तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिमाश्रिताः। भजन्त्यनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्। महात्मानस्तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिमाश्रिताः। भजन्त्यनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्। Mahatmanah, the great souls, tu, but, mam, me, Partha, O Arjuna, son of Pritha, Daivim, divine, Prakritim, nature, Ashritaha, take refuge in, Bhajanti, pray, Ananya, unwavering, Manasaha, mind, Jnatva, knowing that, Bhuta, all creation, Adim, origin, Avyayam, imperishable. Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantascha dridhavrataah namasyantascha mam bhaktya nityayukta upasate. Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantascha dridhavrataah namasyantascha mam bhaktya nityayukta upasate. Satatam, always. Kirtayantah, glorifying. Mam, me. Yatantah, striving. Cha, and dridhavrataha, with firm determination. Namasyantah, surrendering. Cha, and mam, me. Bhaktya, with devotion. Nitya yuktaha, constantly engaged in. Upasate, worship. Having awakened to the reality of their oneness with the divine, the wise ones take refuge in the divine energy of God. They are bestowed with divine grace, knowledge, and bliss. Being steadfast in devotion to God, they live in constant contemplation of His glory and continuously engage in His worship. O Arjuna, son of Pritha, the great souls take refuge in my divine nature. They pray with an unwavering mind, knowing me as the imperishable origin of all creation. Always glorifying me, striving with firm determination and surrendering to me, these souls are constantly engaged in worship with devotion. ज्ञानयज्ञेन चाप्यन्ये यजन्तो मामुपासते एकत्वेन पृथक्त्वेन बहुधा विश्वतो मुखम् ज्ञानयज्ञेन चाप्यन्ये यजन्तो मामुपासते एकत्वेन पृथक्त्वेन बहुधा विश्वतो मुखम्. Jnana yajnena, with the sacrifice of cultivating knowledge. Cha, and api, also. Anye, others. Yajantah, performing sacrifice. Mam, me. Upasate, worship. Ekatvena, as one. Prithaktvena, as separate. Bahudha, varied forms. Vishwataha, mukham, the universal form. Surrendering at the feet of the Lord, sadhakas pursue the path of yoga to realize the absolute truth. Those who take the path of jnana see themselves as inseparable from God and seek to attain Brahman. Those on the path of bhakti view themselves as different from God and serve Him with devotion. Others see Him as the whole creation and worship Him as the one who exists in all different forms. Despite their divergent paths, reaching God is the ultimate goal for all of them. Some worship me with the sacrifice of cultivating knowledge, while others worship me as one, as separate, as varied forms, and also as the universal form. Mahatmanastu mam partha daivim prakritimashritah bhajantyananyamanaso ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्। महात्मानस्तु मां पार्थ दैवीं प्रकृतिमाश्रिताः भजन्त्यनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्। सततं कीर्तयन्तो मां यतन्तश्च दृढव्रताः नमस्यन्तश्च मां भक्त्या नित्ययुक्ता उपासते। सततं कीर्तयन्तो मां यतन्तश्च दृढव्रताः नमस्यन्तश्च मां भक्त्या नित्ययुक्ता उपासते। ज्ञानयज्ञेन चाप्यन्ये यजन्तो मामुपासते एकत्वेन पृथक्त्वेन बहुधा विश्वतो मुखम्। ज्ञानयज्ञेन चाप्यन्ये यजन्तो मामुपासते एकत्वेन पृथक्त्वेन बहुधा विश्वतो मुखम्।